So I've heard this bit of a clonking coming from the car recently, and I got kind of concerned that it could be transfer box or torque converter on the way out, or one of a number of things that people have suggested that could be. We went out just now to get some McDonald's for the kids. Only a short trip, and I heard this bong 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 from underneath the car, and it's getting worse and worse. I thought, oh my god, the car's going to break down. So I pulled over quickly, had a look underneath, and look at what I found. It's not what I thought it was going to be. Right, I'll put the light there so we can see what we're doing. That is the prop shaft centre bearing. It has completely lunched it. That has been on the car for less than a year. I've done less than 2,000 miles since that went in. It's already disintegrated and left me not stranded on the side of the road because the car still got me home. I just drove it carefully. But I cannot believe that that's lasted less than a year and has completely and utterly disintegrated. That's from Bearmach. I think it was about 40 quid. So I have to take the prop shaft off and replace that again. But obviously I won't be replacing it with another Bearmach one because they are quite clearly a load of old shit.